Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We're going to start off by cleaning my kitchen. I've already started some of the dishes. I have some soaking, so let's try to tackle this refrigerator real quick, but I will show you what I am starting from. So, just odds and ends, trash. Odds and ends in different places. As you can see, I have some dirty dishes here, some stuff I've already been throwing in the trash. And then we have something over here. I just popped this open. Not sponsored, but this is a great drink. Sorry, I'm not sick. I don't know what's going on. I think it's my allergies. Here's my refrigerator. Yeah, I need to get it together. I need to restock and get rid of some condiments that have expired. I am quite sure they are expired. As you can see, I think I got some going on up there. So let's tackle this. Let's see where I can sit. And then as I am going through items, I'll show you what it is that I'm doing. I had just taken this out of the refrigerator, so this is definitely expired. And here's a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and get this open. That way my family already has it open and ready to go when it's time for them to make a sandwich, so I don't have to get up and do it. Got something to, I can never get those pull tags. Open. There we go. So we have a fresh mayo. Mustard's still good. I know that these are still good. As you can see, my son uses this every day for his lunch breaks. I already know it's still good. Put it in the comments. Does anybody else clean their refrigerator out every month or so? I have to, because if not, stuff will expire and I won't even know that it is expired if I don't use it every day. Ketchup. I'm going to keep it because it's still good. But somebody will eat it before the end of the week. Soy sauce. Still good. Still good. Taco Bell came out with their own taco sauce in the bottle. I get tired of asking for 10 packets and they give me 2. So I just went and bought it. This is still good. Yes. So my door is really cleared out. I'm gonna now go inside of the refrigerator and see what all needs to be taken care of. These are all still good. Trash. Expired. That's still good. My family loves pickles and relishes and jalapenos. So, and sausage. So all of those are still good. Salad dressing. That's still good. This one, so good, but it's expired. Peanut butter. I use all natural peanut butter, so it does have to go in the refrigerator. Kids, anybody else's kids do this? It drives me nuts. Let me go throw this away. I'll be right back. while I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and take alright. This stuff is still good. Still trash. Still good. Let's tackle this bowl of fruit. Looks like all of my pears needed to go, but my apples are still good. We'll put those back in there. I'm just going to check this juice and milk because this expired on the 6th, so we're going to pour that out. Getting this out of here. And you may be wondering, where am I going when I pour this stuff out? I have a bathroom around the corner. I was just pouring it in a sink since I am washing dishes. While I'm at it, I am throwing leftovers away. And I'll do a restock video another day. But in the interim, throwing stuff away. So, this is what the refrigerator looks like now. Again, door cleaned up. Everything in here is still good. I will do a restock video at a later date. But I feel so much better. So I am now going to tackle doing these dishes. Some lemon. I bought this bag of lemons the other day because I thought I was going to be drinking lemon water. It hasn't happened since. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator because I can use those later. As you can tell, I am new at this. So I asked that everyone just be patient with me.